This bell pepper pizza recipe is simple and delicious. It takes only 5 minutes to prepare and 20 minutes to cook in the oven. Bell peppers are low in calories and high in vitamin C, so this recipe is a great alternative to traditional pizza. What you'll need are 2 medium-sized green bell peppers, half a cup of reduced sodium pizza sauce, 1 cup of shredded part-skim mozzarella cheese, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, toppings of your choice, black pepper, salt, and your favorite pizza herbs or spices. Peppers can be found in a variety of colors, including yellow, orange, red, green, and sometimes even purple. Be sure to pick up some peppers at a local market to add freshness and color to this recipe. Begin by washing your hands and fresh peppers. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper or aluminum foil. Cut the peppers in half lengthwise. Remove the core and membranes. Place the peppers on the baking sheet with the interior of the pepper facing upwards. Drizzle each pepper with olive oil. Make sure the oil evenly coats the peppers. Season with black pepper and salt. Once seasoned, start with 1/2 pepper and fill it with 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce, then 1 tablespoon of cheese. Repeat this with another tablespoon of pizza sauce and another tablespoon of cheese. Next, add your toppings. I'm using chopped onions, quartered black olives, and quartered pepperoni slices. Once the peppers are filled, put them in the oven and cook for about 20 minutes. You want the cheese to melt and the peppers to become tender. When done in the oven, take out the peppers and let sit for 5 minutes before serving. For extra flavor, top with spices or fresh herbs of your choice. I chose a mix of dried parsley, oregano, and basil.